पिछली वीडियो में आप लोग ने हमें मुर्गा बना ही दिया।
So today we are going to do 4 English challenges.
यस और आज के चैलेंजेस वही हैं जिनमें ज्यादातर लोगों को इंग्लिश तो आती है बट बोलते टाइम ब्लैंक हो जाते हैं।
And whoever loses today will have to do the majority punishment from the comment box.
यस और हमने क्या पनिशमेंट चूज की है उसको देखने के लिए एंड तक बने रहना। ओके
Okay. So it's your turn. Start.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Julie and I have done my 12th education from CBSE board. Right now I am pursuing BA honors from DU University. I have also done shorthand course with typing skills at 25 word per minute. Besides my education, I am also doing my on my speaking skills right now and I know I can improve my English day by day.
So challenge number 1, self intro. In this challenge we need to talk about ourselves at least 20 seconds.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes. Now it's your turn, my friend. Let's start.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Akhtar Ali and I am hail from Bihar, but currently I am living in Delhi at Sagarpur. If I talk about my area of interest, I am fond of exploring new places, and I have done advanced diploma in computer application, and currently I am pursuing BA English honors from Delhi University. Or beside my education, currently I am working in MNC company as a technician. That's all about me.
और
I did
नहीं
it.
बोलना था वैसे बट आई नो कि तुम जीत गए हो इसमें। ठीक है बट ये तो रटा रटाया इंट्रोडक्शन था तो जीतना ही सही था।
अबे जा।
यस
तो
सो
मुर्गा
हमारा
तुम ही बनोगे?
जी नहीं मुर्गा बनोगे तुम।
Let's
ठीक है
see.
ये तो रटा रटाया था।
God knows.
यस
Yeah.
सो हमारा स्कोर अपडेट हुआ 0 out of 4 and 1 out of 4. ओके यस
I won.
सो चैलेंज नंबर 2। इन दिस चैलेंज हमको यहाँ पर डेली कॉन्वर्सेशन इंग्लिश करनी है तो ये बनेगा वेटर एंड आई एम द कस्टमर। ओके
बाद
ओके
में
वेटर।
मुर्गा।
हेलो वेटर।
Hi ma'am, good evening.
Okay, good evening. So please could you tell me your special item from the menu?
Yes ma'am, of course.
Yes.
If I talk about our special item in our menu, so there is 2 item in our menu. This is high rating. First is farmhouse pizza
Okay.
with extra cheese, and second is double tikki burger. This is also extra cheese.
Okay.
So what would you like to prefer, ma'am?
I would like to take farmhouse pizza.
Okay.
So could you please tell me any special item with it?
Yes, ma'am. There is combo pack with farmhouse pizza.
Yes.
One small bottle of cold drink.
Okay.
So could you please tell me what would you like to prefer? Sprite, Thumbs Up, and Coke.
Okay, so I would like Sprite but with little chilled. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So please tell me how much time do you take to make?
It will take around 15 minutes, ma'am.
Okay.
Could
so
you please allow me?
यस यस सो ये चैलेंज हुआ टाई। हम में से कोई नहीं हारा इसमें। स्कोर हुआ 1-4 and 0-4। सो मेजोरिटी वाली पनिशमेंट करने के लिए रेडी हो ना?
तुम
नहीं तुम। सो आप भी मेजोरिटी वाली पनिशमेंट हमने कौन सी चूज की है उसके लिए प्लीज बी रेडी।
So we are in challenge number 3, random English object challenge.
यस इस चैलेंज में हम दोनों एक दूसरे को एक ऑब्जेक्ट देंगे। एक एक ऑब्जेक्ट होगा जिसके बारे में हमें इंग्लिश में 20 सेकंड्स तक बोलना है। सो आर यू रेडी?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay.
So this is your turn, Julie.
Yes.
I am going to take you this object.
ओके
Describe this.
Okay, so this is a green bottle. Actually, this bottle is Sprite bottle, and we are using for this bottle for carrying water. And as you know that water is very essential for us right now in summer as well. And its color is green, and its cap color is blue. And this is actually half filled water because हम पी चुके हैं. Now your turn.
Okay.
So your object is this notepad. So
Okay.
tell me about something.
So this is a notepad of stenographer. I think
Yes.
you are using it
Yes.
for writing shorthand.
Yes.
And if I talk about,
Actually, I was using.
yeah, you used to
Right.
using it,
So yes.
and currently I am using it for writing my important notes. Like currently we are making videos, so in this notepad we are using for
Script.
script.
Yes.
It using it for
हार
script.
गए हार गए.
दोबारा बोलो.
सो नाउ स्कोर अपडेट। तो मैं इस चैलेंज में जीती तो मेरा हुआ 1 आउट ऑफ 4 और इसका भी 1 आउट ऑफ 4 ही हुआ क्योंकि बीच वाला चैलेंज टाई हो गया था।
Then you will need to do majority punishment.
यस, तो मेजोरिटी वाले पनिशमेंट के लिए प्लीज बने रहना एंड तक। सो नाउ लास्ट चैलेंज इज 4th चैलेंज जो डिसाइड करेगा कि कौन मेजोरिटी वाली पनिशमेंट करेगा।
So now challenge number 4. Describe the emojis in English. So now it's your turn.
Okay, so I have this. There is a fire and a love. So everyone knows that fire is against the love. Okay.
Yeah.
So now second, home, books and pencil. So at my home, I am writing the script with using a pen. So there is third, a rabbit, turtle and the flag. Everyone knows there is a historic race and turtle won the race. And the last is pizza, enjoy and the emoji. So I love to eat pizza and I am enjoying it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now it's your turn.
Okay.
Yes.
So there is 4 emoji which I going to describe. So first is apple and iPhone. So while using my phone, I always have apple in the morning.
Okay.
And second is kid, cloud and umbrella.
Yes.
So kid is running for taking their umbrella during raining.
Yes.
And third is cat and its crown. And fourth is moon, stars and sleepy emoji.
Yes.
So while signing moon and stars, I always feel sleepy.
Okay. So now score update.
Yes.
तो ये challenges हुए टाई 2-4 and 2-4. ओके, अब बारी है आपके मेजोरिटी वाले पनिशमेंट की। सो हमने चूज किया है मुर्गा पनिशमेंट विद लॉन्गर टाइम और हम किसी को बैठवाएंगे भी, ठीक है?
क्योंकि हमारे पास बच्चा तो है नहीं,
Yes.
तो बड़ा ही बैठेगा हमारे ऊपर.
Yes.
So there is
Okay,
only
so are you
one
ready?
option.
हल्का